Sometimes players may want to restart, fresh, or permanently remove their eFootball 2026 mobile account. So, whether it's to reset your progress, switch accounts, or simply stop playing, Konami provides an in game option to delete your account. It's important to note that this action is permanent, and once deleted, your player data, items, and purchases cannot be restored. So go ahead from the home menu, tap on Extras in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Support, then go to Services and Info tab. From here, you will see the option of Delete User ID that is highlighted in red color. Go ahead and tap on that. And now agree to the terms and conditions and check this box. Go ahead, tap on Next, and then confirm to delete your user ID, and you'll be done. So that's how you can go ahead and delete your user ID or the account in eFootball by going to Service and Info. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.